In this video, you'll learn how to download Udemy courses on your PC. Although Udemy primarily supports offline downloads through its mobile app, you can still access and download course materials using your web browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, type in the URL for the Udemy website, and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click this button, then enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. After signing in, you will be directed to your learning dashboard, where you can view all your enrolled courses. Next, find the specific course you wish to access. Click on the course title, which will take you to the course overview page. Here you will see a list of lectures and course materials. Select a lecture from the curriculum to view its content. Some instructors provide additional downloadable resources such as PDFs or files, which can enhance your learning experience. Once you've opened a lecture, check below the lecture player for any downloadable resources. Instructors may include links to files that are available for download. Look for a download option next to these resources. If the instructor has enabled download, you will see a link or button that allows you to download the file directly. To download the available resource, click on the download link beside the resource or lecture attachment. Your browser will begin downloading the file, and you might see a progress indicator at the bottom of your screen or in your browser's download. The file will be saved to your computer's designated storage location, usually the downloads folder, unless you have specified otherwise. It is important to note that not all video lectures are available for download on a PC. However, you can typically download course resources and materials provided by the instructor. Be sure to check your available storage space before downloading large files, as this may affect your ability to save additional resources. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.